Here we have the DeWalt 7 1/4 circular saw. I'm going to be taking this out so you guys could check out everything that's in here. First, just check out the specs before I do that. So it is 15 amps. We can bevel it from 0 to 57 degrees. I'm going to be actually cutting some wood so you guys could check it out. But you could take a picture of that or just look at it. But those are the specs right here. Let's go ahead and open it. Okay, now we have everything out of the bag. Let me show you what we have. So this one does come with a blade and it's ready to go right here. 7 1/4. You guys could see it. This thing is legit and it's ready to cut wood. We do have the user manual as well. And I really like this set because it does come with a bag. I love using the actual bags for the tools. That way you could put them away and that way you don't have to buy another bag. So I do like that it comes with the bag. And this is the tool itself. I do want to point out that this is the corded one. And I like the cord versus the battery because, you know, the juice runs out or you forget to charge it. So I do like the corded. I prefer the corded. Okay, you guys, I wanted to show you what it looks like outside before I cut it. And I did put the new blade in. The tool, which is very handy, is right here. All you have to do is unscrew this and then take this silver cap off. You put the blade in there, and then of course it's supposed to read DeWalt right there. That way you know it's in right. So I'm gonna go ahead and tuck that away right there. Okay, so this lever in the back, if you lift it up, it unlocks and you can actually pick it up and put it down. Like say you just want it to come out just a little, maybe a 1/4 inch, whatever you want. I just leave it just like so. Make sure you lock it. That way it's nice and tight and this is not going anywhere right here. Same thing with the front. If you want to bevel it, you just move it like so and then it goes up and down so you can see what angle that you're cutting at. And then when you're ready to tighten it up, just push it all the way down like so. Okay, this is for when you're messing with when you're trying to get the blade off. All you have to do is push this all the way down and it kind of like locks it so it's not spinning, so you could unscrew it. We do have the handle here. I do have it unplugged. The trigger is right here. We're gonna be pulling the trigger while we're cutting through and it cuts nice and smooth. Let me show you guys. Just like that. You guys could see I am using a guide, but look how nice and straight of a cut that is right there, you guys. Look at that. I was gonna say I don't need to sand it, but I'm gonna sand it anyways, but I do love the way this tool works. And here's what it looks like in its carrying case right here.